Hi guys, welcome back to Amber Slimy Slime. Today we're not actually doing slime, and I got a scratch over here. I don't know how. So I'm going to talk about how to make slime. So this is how I make slime. My mom does not let me use glue, so I'm just telling you. So that's why. Okay, so first you'll need glue, activator, any kind, like the thing that you do for your laundry, or like activator, or borax. Yeah, I use borax. And then, but I have borax. And then you use lotion to make it like more like slime. If you want more like slime, not like so hard. Add lotion if you don't want it that hard. And yeah, so, and you will need, let's see, what would you need? What else do you need? Oh yeah, you need sparkles or glitter if you want to make it like really pretty. So yeah, so so you have to have a spoon to mix it. So then you guys add the ingredients in and then mix it one by one, and then mix it together to form slime. If you want a pretty color, you better use colors and glitter or sparkles or paint or something. I use paint. And if you guys want to have snow slime or cloud slime, you guys need to go watch my other show. Subscribe down below and get a thumbs up. And yeah, if you like my show. Well, not really, like not that much stuff in my show, so just try to get a thumbs up if you like, and subscribe below. Bye guys.